come to this happy place, welcome.
Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start off by going to a Disney learning offering. It's called Disney Heritage Creating Disneyland. Now that the learning offering is over, I'm heading to Disney's Blizzard Beach. and it's vanilla, ice cream, and chocolate. So it's a twist. And there's like Oreo pieces, and there's sprinkles, and at the bottom apparently there's cake. So I think of the cake as like the sand, because it's a sand pal sundae. And there's like caramel and hot fudge. I would definitely recommend this. This is so good. And look, you get like a little sand pal souvenir. Look at how cute that is. And the serving size is great too. Like, this is big. Look at that. Now I am on the bus heading back to the dorms. Time for Disney Trivia Night. Let's go. From Disney Trivia Night. For a while, my team was in second place, and then there was a math round and it really messed us up, and we were no longer in second, and so we did not win. The prizes were cute though. There were like bucket hats and squishies and Disney Doorables, but it's okay. I had fun. I hope they do it again. Yeah, so it's me, and they put me in a team. Or others. We were the Fantasmic Five.